watching. Well, thank you for coming back on my page. So today what we're going to be making is another slime video. I love making slime videos. They're really easy to make. And yeah. So you guys should really try this at home. I tried it before. It really did work. It was incredible. Yeah. So what you'll be needing for this video is you will first be needing the main ingredients to put it all together. Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue is optional, or you can use clear glue. So, next important ingredient is Colgate toothpaste. You can use any type of toothpaste, but I would not use a runny toothpaste or any like liquidy kind. Next thing you'll be needing is salt. Any salt will do except sea salt. Sea salt would not do. Sea salt just doesn't do. Sea salt is very clumsy, not clumsy, how can I say it? It's very like hard and stuff. So next thing what you'll be needing is a bowl. You'll be needing somewhere to put your slime in, something to mix with, and this food coloring is optional. The color was yellow, but I'm not going to use it because I just think the toothpaste is going to give a lot of color, like more than that. So you guys don't have to use, what is it called? Food coloring. Okay, first get your bowl, pour the glue in there. Okay, open the glue thing first. Okay, pour some in. So, just put that in there. You guys can use a little bit more just for this process. Okay, now what you guys can do, you guys can, after that, you can take your toothpaste. Sorry, the lighting isn't really good. Okay, so the lighting isn't really good because it's like almost my time here. Okay, so take your toothpaste, pour some of that in there. Okay, and then stir it. And guys, as I said, the toothpaste might get really thick consistency. I love when it gets a thick consistency, so it can start looking like this, and when it looks like this, do not put anything else in it. So I'm just going to put a little bit more glue, because it's not bad, and I just want to see what happens. That's all, guys. You guys do not need a lot. A lot will not work, trust me. Okay, toothpaste kind of brings it together too, but I think actually mostly this salt brings it all together. So, yeah. And then, you guys can get your salt, pour it in there. And yeah. Then, looks like that. You can stir it. And it can get, and this is when it gets really slimy. And it kind of just wants to go all over the place. When it starts looking like this, guys, and you can actually pick it up, this is basically when your slime is in order. So, You guys do not need an order to make this slime because you can use salt, toothpaste, or glue. It doesn't matter about the order. It really doesn't, but I would recommend glue, toothpaste, and salt. Because that's the order that I did it in. And your slime will start looking like this. A lot like this. So you guys need a lot of salt. Not really a lot of salt, but like a little bit and a lot. So it will start looking like that. And at that point, if you guys want your slime a little bit slimier, you guys can add a little bit more glue. So you can start. At this point, start looking like that. That consistency. It'll get, when you add a little bit more glue, then it'll get the consistency like of, what is it called? Consistency of Play-Doh. Play-Doh-like. So, yeah, after the Play-Doh-like part, let's take it out of its, okay? Alright, this is very cool and fun. Okay, after that, take your case, put your slime in there. Okay, slime in there. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm not really videoing it really good. So, I'll get it really running. Okay, take your pencil, poke it. It'll make really weird pokes. And then, you guys could put it in the freezer for like, yes, 5 minutes. Good job. Okay, so I'll be right back doing that. OMG, guys. So I came back from the 5-minute freezer break time, and it is just really slimy now, guys. This is really fun and slimy. So you guys should try it at home. Bye! Oh, this video was long. 7 minutes. Let's try to get it. Guys, ready, set, go. Bye!